Agency where I'm from, and introduction of international project in the frame of Eco Smart City, and then give some perspective for the future development. So the Dena, the German energy agency, is Germany's center of expertise for energy efficiency, renewable energy sources, and intelligent energy systems. We contribute to the attainment of energy and climate policy objectives. Our shareholders are the four federal ministries of Germany and the KfW bank. So as you can see, we are inter-institutional centers. We have very clear and transparent objectives to act as a think tank to support of the federal government in the strategy development for energy policy, to direct communication with different stakeholders, and implementation of energy efficiency and pilot projects. So in the context of Eco Smart City, the Dena is implementing an international project called Energy and Climate Protection Management System. This system is developed in 2010 and has already implemented in 70 municipalities in Germany, in 25 pilot cities in China and Kazakhstan. So the objective of this system is to help the city to implement a holistic management system to develop or discover their energy efficient potential in the municipality through the trainings in the energy management of the local government structures. The priority is given to the direct area of influence of a municipality, such as buildings, street lights, heat supply, power grids, transportation, water supply, and sewage disposal. So I think if you are familiar with management circle, it's obviously easy to understand that the management system includes 7 steps as a circle. You can see at the left, it's the 7 steps. At first, you need to create organizational structure and develop a mission statement. Then the municipalities need to analyze existing situations, to set goals and develop measures. Then they need to plan and finance the measures, implement the measures, and as the 7th step is to evaluate the results and adjust new plans. So the 4 important fields of activities is, as mentioned, buildings, electricity use, energy system, and transportation. So you can see in this slide, since 2010, we have helped around 70 communities in Germany to implement this management system, and 15 of which are now certificated. And so we are also helping different county of in Germany to give courses and work with local partners. Since end of 2014, we also work with the Chinese government and Chinese partners. So 25 Chinese pilot cities are also participating. And in this case, I also want to mention what is the relation to our smart city topic today of this expo. Also, for our blockchain and AI topic is that the Chinese cities, as maybe you can see also in the expo area here, that they are quite good in implementing new digitalization systems for acquiring data to do analysis and prognosis. So it's quite interesting to see the development, because in Germany, the municipality is still working on kind of a conventional method to use Excel and all these kind of conventional tools. And since end of 2018, we also work with Russia partners. It's called Skolkovo Business School. And in this case, we're also trying to use this energy and climate protection management system as a core and to do the adaptation for Russia partners. Normally, this process will take 3 years. And in the case of Russia, we just started end of 2018. And in the first phase, we just giving information to 40 different regions, and then collecting the feedbacks. And we have chosen 2 pilot municipalities to implement the management system. So this is the 40 regions. We have invited them to take part, and this is the result. That means 16 regions has responded, and 105 municipalities has shown their interest to take part. And at the end, we choose 2 pilot regions. So you can see the interest of implementing such a management system is quite high. And I think it's a lot of need to be innovative and to develop digital solutions, smart solutions for this need. So as a summary, we can say the motivation of municipalities is quite high, because they recognize in the frame of global climate protection, they have new responsibilities, and they need to use modern approach, especially digitalization and AI solutions to do better energy management and also to implement energy transition. So this will be the goal of the system. That means we're not only working with the municipalities to support them, we also want to use the result of our pilot project to give the ministries for new framework, to set new framework for these systems. So I want to sum it up. For Dena, it's very important. Sustainable is the goal. That means every new solutions we want to implement is for a better, sustainable global future. And the smartness is the tool. These are, I think, quite simple examples. So as we talk a lot about of big data and data gathering, but it's not per se saving energy and being climate friendly. So as we know, for example, the big data centers use a lot of energy of the world. They are increasing very, very fast. So I think it's really important to be aware that our digital solutions should contribute to more sustainability, and it's not just for the sake of gathering any data. And last but not least, I want to introduce also one important, interesting project of the Dena, because we believe the digital transition, sustainable transition started bottom up, and we need a lot of innovations in the field of eco-smart city. So we have established this Startup Energy Transition Award. One of my colleagues, Renee, is also here. So if anyone is interested in this award, you can also talk to him later on. And our goal is just to find different fields that is working together for the holistic energy, integrated energy transition. And thank you for your attention.